Harry's first bracket. Yay!
Okay, you ready?
Daddy.
Daddy got pictures of all the mascots.
Okay, pick one. All right.
What is it, Daddy?
Harry Hoover, Colorado State.
Okay.
Okay, pick one. Oklahoma State. Okay, pick one. St. Louis.
All right. Good taste on that Billiken.
Okay, pick one. Creighton.
I'll have to learn some better taste for me.
Okay, pick one. Shockers.
Yay!
Okay, pick one. Wisconsin.
Yeah. Some Badger love.
Okay, pick one. Belmont. It's a good underdog pick.
All right.
Okay, pick one. Iowa State.
Yeah.
Okay, pick one. Colorado. Okay, pick one. Bucknell. Another good underdog pick.
Yeah.
Okay, pick one. Syracuse.
Yeah. Everybody
Okay, pick
likes
one.
Coach Boeheim.
Cal. Okay, pick one.
No.
Pick one. You don't want to pick one? Can you pick one? Stop it. Temple. Okay, pick one. Minnesota. Okay, pick one. Michigan. Okay, pick one. Akron. Okay, pick one. Villanova. That's it for the first round.
Okay.
San Diego State.
Yay, because we hate OU. Nobody good likes OU, do they? Boo OU. Picking more brackets.
Need you to pick one. Okay, Memphis.
Good job.
Okay, pick one. Missouri. Okay, pick one. St. Louis.
Yeah, Billikens.
Okay, pick one. Creighton.
Gotta get rid of this Blue Jay love, buddy.
Okay, pick one. Shockers.
Woo shock.
Okay, pick one. Belmont. Okay, pick one. Ohio State.
Bubble.
Okay, pick one.
Bubble.
You pick one? No, pick one? Which one? You want to pick? We touch one? Want to take a break? We're going to take a break.
Okay, we'll come back to it.
Okay. Sorry, hold on. Okay, you ready? Pick one. Colorado. Okay, pick one. Marquette. Okay, pick one. Syracuse. Okay, pick one. Temple. Okay, pick one. Georgetown. Okay, pick one. Florida. Okay, pick one. Michigan.
Mr. Chris will like that Florida.
Okay, pick one. KU.
Oh, come on, guys.
Okay, pick one. Wisconsin.
Yay, Bucky Badger!
Okay, pick one. Michigan State. All right, that's the end of that round. Good job.
Yay, good job, buddy.
Good job. Pick one. St. Louis.
Bubble.
Pick one. Creighton.
There.
Pick one. Wichita State. Pick one. Ohio State. Pick one. Michigan. Okay, pick one. Florida. Pick one. Syracuse. Pick one. Marquette. Yay! Good job. Okay, pick one. Creighton. Okay, pick one.
Killing me.
Wichita State. Pick one. Florida. Pick one more. Syracuse. Good job.
Okay. Not so sure about those Blue Jays.
Come here.
Harry, Daddy has some picks to make.
Come here.
Better go pick your bracket.
Come here.
Important part of March Madness.
Pick one. Wichita State.
Yay!
Florida.
Yay!
Good job. This is an important one. This is the
Here,
winner.
let's see. Can we get the iPad?
You ready?
Daddy.
Okay, pick a winner. Yay!
Oh, woo shot!
Shockers! Say shockers!
Cockers.
Yay!
All right.
Loyal fan.